Plumbers are reluctant to share this simple trick. All it takes is inserting a hose into the toilet to help solve drainage problems. If your toilet clogs frequently or gives off unpleasant odors, you don't need to call a plumber right away. Grab a regular garden hose and a large plastic bottle. First, cut the bottle in half with a utility knife. You'll only need the top portion. Next, remove the cap and insert the bottle neck into the end of the hose. Secure the connection tightly with electrical tape so it stays stable and leak-free. Now prepare the other end of the hose. Cut it at a slight angle to a length of about 3 feet. This will make it easier to slide into the drain. Insert the prepared hose into the toilet and gently push it as deep as possible into the drain pipe. Once the hose is positioned deep enough, stand the bottle upright and pour in a generous amount of baking soda. Baking soda helps remove buildup and neutralize unpleasant odors. Next, pour in a good amount of vinegar. When combined with the baking soda, it creates an active foam that can help break down deposits and grime inside the pipes. This reaction may also help remove buildup responsible for unpleasant odors. After a short while, carefully pull the hose out of the drain and wait a few minutes to allow the mixture to move through the pipes. Finally, flush with water. The drain should flow more smoothly, and the unpleasant odor should be gone. Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with 1 large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. After this, your toilet will be perfectly clean. The result is amazing. This simple and inexpensive method gives you a bathroom cleaner you can make in minutes. Start by crushing a few aspirin tablets. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which effectively breaks down stains. Fill a bowl with warm water, then add the crushed aspirin. Stir until it fully dissolves. Take some toilet paper and soak it in the aspirin solution, making sure it's completely saturated. Lay the wet paper over the stained areas of the toilet bowl. The solution starts working on the stains immediately. Leave it for about 1 hour so the aspirin can loosen all the dirt. After an hour, remove the paper and scrub the bowl with a toilet brush as usual. You'll see the stains come off easily, leaving the bowl clean and bright. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Take some Coca-Cola and toothpaste. Watch what I'll do with them. Grab a roll of paper towels and start tearing off pieces. Fold those pieces and place them on the surface of the toilet bowl. Line the entire inside, ensuring the towels stick to the bowl and don't fall into the water. Now take the Coca-Cola. Open it, but don't drink it. Pour the Coca-Cola over the paper towels inside the bowl. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, come back and remove the dirty paper. Now scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which help dissolve limescale, rust, and other grime. For an extra shine and freshness, squeeze some toothpaste directly onto the bowl and scrub again. The toothpaste not only brightens the surface, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Enjoy a sparkling clean and fresh-smelling toilet with this simple method. The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again. With this hotel trick, your toilet will stay perfectly clean for months. This simple method always helps me when I run out of store-bought cleaners. You only need products that most people already have at home, and you probably do too. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl. Salt helps remove buildup, supports cleaning, and acts as a natural cleaner. Then add 1 tablespoon of laundry powder. It effectively dissolves dirt, freshens, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Also add vinegar. It's a proven ingredient that helps remove limescale and residue while leaving surfaces fresh. Pour in about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly until you get a ready solution. Pour most of it into the toilet bowl and scrub the inside well with a brush. Apply the remaining mixture to a sponge and clean the seat, the outer parts of the toilet, and other surfaces. As you can see, in just a few minutes, you can prepare an effective homemade cleaner. Thanks to it, your toilet will be perfectly clean, fresh, and shiny, like after professional cleaning, using only ingredients you already have at home.